Yo, good morning. It is the Pidgin English coach. I'm on the road, but I just want to do a quick video for you. New Pidgin English word today. My voice is kind of sad because I have the flu. Mumu, M-U-M-U. It means a fool. So somebody can say, you be big mumu, a big fool. You mumu well. You're a big, really big fool. You think I be mumu? You think I'm a fool? I know be mumu. I'm not a fool. That guy in a mumu, that guy is a big fool. So the word mumu is used to talk about anybody who acting like a fool. So alright, if you want to insult somebody, you can call him a mumu. Now it's pronounced mumu, alright, not mumu. Mumu. Okay, so that's the word for today. Have a wonderful day. And don't forget, if you want to get more training and you can learn Pidgin English very fast, go to pidginenglishschool.com.ng. That's our new website, so you can go there and see all we have for you. Once again, pidginenglishschool.com.ng. I'll see you another time. Bye bye.